Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to set reminders with the built-in Cortana app on your Windows 10 device. So this should be a fairly straightforward tutorial and we're going to jump right into it. And we're going to start by opening up the Cortana Start menu. And you want to go over to the left side here and you want to left click on the little notepad or notebook icon. And now you want to left click on reminders. So over here it should have a little light bulb next to it. And now at this point you can click on the plus sign down here to add a reminder. So reminder 2, you can say call so and so even. You can call anybody, you can write whatever you want in here, and you can add a person, a place, whatever you really want. But at this point you can add a specific time as well, so 1 hour, or you have a specific time again you want to have a reminder sent out to you. That is fine as well. But I do hope this brief video was able to help you guys out. So you can see it will remind you once you select that, and it says I'll remind you. You can also see it in your reminders list at any time. So if I go back over the notepad icon and then go back into reminders, you can see I have a new reminder set up. So I'm supposed to call somebody in about an hour. So pretty cool little trick, and I do hope you guys were able to pick something up in today's tutorial. And as always, thank you guys for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.